Have you ever caught a younger woman smiling at you and immediately thought, she's just being polite, or that couldn't possibly mean anything? If so, you're not alone. Many older men shrug off these moments, never realizing there can be a deeper significance behind that simple smile. Today, I want to shed light on the surprising and often overlooked reasons why younger women tend to smile at older men. By the end of this video, you may never see those casual grins in the same way again. Before we dive in, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Simply hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Your support truly means the world to us. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps share our message with a wider audience. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoyed the content, type yes in the comments below. If it didn't resonate with you, let me know by typing no. Your feedback helps me create videos that better match your interests. Now let's tackle the core question. Why do younger women often smile at older men, and what's the psychology behind it? Number 1, she admires your confidence. Picture this scene. You're waiting in line at your favorite coffee shop, feeling pretty relaxed. Maybe you're not wearing the trendiest sneakers, and you're not obsessing over your phone. A younger woman glances your way and offers a quick smile. Many men assume that this is just a friendly gesture. In reality, that smile can be a silent acknowledgement that she appreciates your calm assurance. When you reach a certain stage of life, you've weathered enough ups and downs to be at ease in your own skin. Younger men might still be in the throes of proving themselves, cracking constant jokes, fiddling with their shirts, or scanning their phones for approval. By contrast, your self-assured demeanor stands out like a beacon of composure, and that's irresistibly attractive. Confidence, after all, is one of the most universally appealing traits. According to a 2019 study in the journal Personality and Individual Differences, both men and women tend to be drawn to individuals who project self-confidence because it signals competence, stability, and emotional maturity. So the next time a younger woman greets you with a warm grin, consider it a genuine nod to the aura you project, one of calm, self-assuredness. Number 2, you stand out from the crowd. If you take a quick glance around, you'll notice how many younger people seem glued to their phones or preoccupied with immediate social validation. Meanwhile, you might be more focused on what's actually happening in front of you. Younger women notice this difference. Suppose you're at a social event. While younger guests might be snapping selfies or giggling over the latest viral trend, you're engaged in a meaningful conversation with someone you just met. You hold eye contact and ask thoughtful questions rather than dominating the conversation. That sense of poise sets you apart. It's not about trying to prove you're cooler or better. It's simply that you're coming from a place of authentic presence. Younger women, especially those who crave genuine connection, often find this refreshing. They see a man who's not desperately vying for attention, but who has real stories to share and a genuine interest in others. That smile you catch might be her way of saying, "Wow, you're different from the usual guys I meet, and I like it." Number 3, you radiate stability. One of the biggest misconceptions older men have is assuming their age is a disadvantage. Yet in many cases, age equates to valuable life experience. Think about it. You've probably sorted out your career path or at least arrived at a comfortable point in your professional journey. Perhaps you've learned how to manage stress without letting it consume you. Emotionally, you might have faced enough ups and downs to understand what truly matters in relationships and everyday life. Young adulthood can be chaotic, a whirlwind of new job pressures, changing friend groups, and frantic attempts to find one's place in the world. So when a younger woman encounters an older man who appears grounded and sure of himself, she often finds that sense of stability compelling. It can be a subconscious feeling of "I'm safe here," even if she's not seeking a relationship. That smile can be her way of responding to your calm, unflappable presence, which stands in stark contrast to the unpredictability she might see in men her own age. Number 4, she finds experience appealing. You've lived through numerous phases, starting out in your career, managing finances, forming meaningful relationships, and maybe even raising a family. You have stories, some humorous, some enlightening, and some with a moral at the end. Younger men, on the other hand, are often still gathering these experiences and forming their sense of identity. In many cases, they're more focused on trying to show off what little they've achieved rather than cherishing the moment. For younger women, encountering someone who already knows himself can be incredibly appealing. They might think, here's a man who has substance, who's not rattled by every little setback. On a deeper level, experience can suggest a certain skill or understanding of life that younger people find magnetic, whether it's the ability to hold a deep conversation or remain composed in challenging situations. A smile is a subtle invitation to engage, to learn more about what shaped you, and to see if that substance translates into genuine connection. Number 5, she's testing the waters. Psychology often hinges on subtle cues, smiles, eye contact, posture. A younger woman might smile at you to see how you'll respond. Will you grin back with quiet assurance? Will you seem nervous? This is a small but meaningful social test. Women, indeed all people, gauge how someone responds in low-pressure encounters before deciding whether to invest more attention or curiosity. A self-assured older man who reciprocates with warmth but not desperation often confirms her hunch that he's worth talking to. If you avert your gaze or appear visibly uneasy, she might assume you're not open to conversation and move on. Think of it like an invitation. She's opened a door to see if you'll step in. Your answer, expressed through your body language and facial expression, determines whether that door remains open or closes politely. Number 6, she genuinely finds you attractive. This might seem too obvious to mention, but many older men dismiss the idea that a younger woman could be attracted to them. The truth is that attractiveness isn't solely about smooth skin or a youthful face. Studies from the Evolutionary Psychology Journal reveal that women frequently look for traits such as reliability, intelligence, and kindness, qualities that often become more pronounced with age. Graying hair or a calm demeanor can exude a refined sort of appeal, signaling that you've arrived at a place of maturity where you know who you are. You might also have the financial and emotional resources to enjoy life in ways that younger men can't yet manage. Maybe you've cultivated interesting hobbies or travel experiences. Younger women who are drawn to that worldly perspective will flash a smile when they sense it. For some, it's an acknowledgement that older men bring something to the table that younger counterparts often lack: wisdom, patience, and a broad view of life. A key takeaway: don't underestimate the power of your presence. While society sometimes suggests that men peak in their youth, real life often shows a more nuanced picture. Experience, confidence, and stability can be highly appealing to younger women. The next time a friendly smile comes your way, try not to dismiss it as mere politeness. Give yourself permission to believe that she could genuinely appreciate who you are. No disclaimers required. Thank you so much for watching and for exploring these insights into why younger women smile at older men. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Your support means the world to us. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps share our message with a wider audience. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoyed the content, type yes in the comments below. If it didn't resonate with you, let me know by typing no. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps me craft videos that better suit your interests. Now, I'd love to know, have you ever experienced a situation where a younger woman's smile left you scratching your head? Did you interpret it as a simple courtesy, or did you suspect there might be more beneath the surface? Let me know in the comments.